Look, this video is about CSS selectors, the fashion stylist category and all. Okay, so here what we are going to do is very interesting. So, what are the CSS comments which we are going to discuss? So, the CSS comments are about notes that we write. Okay, or and the patterns we do. So think of comments like sticky notes, or you leave for yourself on a recipe books. Okay. So what are the CSS comments? So this is like notes you write on the CSS mode, browser ignores them completely, starts with these kind of structures and end with this, and they help you to understand the code later and temporarily disable the code. Okay, so why do we need comments? So imagine we write some CSS today and 6 months later, and you need to change it. So without the comments, we you might forget why you wrote the code, and comments are like leaving the breadcrumbs for your future steps. Okay, so let's start with a single line comment first.